important for us to affiliate and associate with growing companies who have great ideas, just like we do.
Buongiorno Milano, welcome TechChill Milano 2022.
The Italian lifestyle, let's say, with a very international flavor.
Yes, first time in TechChill and very excited. It's a mixture between meeting many friends of people who I know already, but I also met a lot of new people from Italy, but also new people from other countries.
Milan is a good place to start your business.
Innovation, ambition, launchpad, because I think, it's the beginning of growth for everyone.
We are looking for partners, clients, and investments actually.
Looking for our first investment.
And it's great to be at TechChill, and you should be here too.
Why Milan? Milan's an awesome city. The espresso is amazing.
I get an invitation, come in. Ciao Milano!